Hey everyone, it's Susan at Escapes. I've just checked into Hard Rock Riviera Maya. There are two sections here. One is Hacienda, which is family, and the other is Heaven, which is family, but two buildings are adult only with a brand new pool and swim out suites. So follow along and let's see what we see on this tour today. This is a deluxe room with two double beds. There are plug-ins on the nightstand between. Jacuzzi, jetted tub, coffee station, and there is a mini fridge with beer and pop. Table, flat screen TV. Terrace or balcony with a hammock. Drawer space, closet space, and there is a safe here. Large shower, toilet, and lots of fluffy towels. They do supply a hair dryer and a makeup mirror. So that's good. And this bathroom does have a door that closes this room all together. So if that's important to you. Very comfy room. And this could be the location for your reception. How wonderful to be toasting each other and sampling some great food and listening to the waves. This is so incredibly beautiful. Look at the gold chargers. And you can have it decorated however you desire. They're very flexible here at Hard Rock. What an incredible backdrop. Okay guys, do you want to hear some news? This is a brand new adult-only pool in the adult section. Swim-up bar, showers, beautiful lounges, service right to your chair. So if you're in the mood for a margarita, you can have one. How about a swim-up? Step right outside your room, down the stairs, and cool off, regardless of the time. If you'd like to do some yoga, they do have a studio here. Yoga vibes with a beat. Isn't this pretty? This is the nightclub called Heaven. It's opened on weekends, so if you like to dance and party, make sure that you book your night so that it's over a weekend, especially if you're planning a wedding. This is the Heaven Lounge.
No, it's 9 a.m. till 6 p.m.
And they serve only high-end alcohol here. There are so many pools to enjoy at Hard Rock. We are on the Heaven side, but it is child-friendly. So even if the kids want to swim here, they certainly can, because there's only two buildings that are adult only, which is on the Heaven side. And this is new to Hard Rock, so there's a variety of food stations here. Treats, pizza, drink it, chicken, tortilla, burgers. So if you want to have something quick and easy, come here, and it's on the heaven side. This is a breathtaking venue for having your ceremony. Look at the gorgeous backdrop. People are watching you exchange your vows, looking at the beautiful turquoise ocean. Call me and let's plan your wedding. Hard Rock. You're cheering and clinking glasses to the bride and groom while watching the waves roll in. Perfect area for a wedding reception, wouldn't you say? Now that's a cozy little bar. Wouldn't you love to sip a cold beer there? If you are booking an all-inclusive resort in Mexico, I certainly suggest a swim out suite if it fits within your budget. It is so delectable to walk out of your room and get into that cool water in the morning or at night. Call me and let's book this room. Hey everyone, it's Susanette Escapes. I am currently at Hard Rock Riviera Maya. I've been here for 4 days attending a seminar learning all there is to know that's new and exciting and wonderful for all-in weddings. So that means when you're planning a wedding to Hard Rock, Unico, or the new Ava, I'm the person that you should be reaching out to. I've learned so many new tips and techniques and all of the new things that are happening with these resorts. So if you're planning a wedding at Hard Rock, Unico, or Ava, give me a call and let's chat and start planning your destination wedding. And this is the main pool on the heaven side. There are two sections to Hard Rock, Heaven, and there's 2 buildings within Heaven that are adult only. The rest of the buildings in Heaven allow children. Then there's Hacienda, which is completely family. And this pool is adult only. This is Terraza Starlight for wedding ceremonies and receptions. My goodness, it's beautiful. This is the Catholic chapel on the property. So if you are having a Catholic ceremony, this is a good resort to think of. So only Catholic weddings can be performed here. This is a setup for ceremonies. No charge. Hey everyone, it's Susan at Escapes. Thank you so much for following along. I hope you have enjoyed my tour of Hard Rock. And if you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thanks so much for following along.